As a student taking a pre-MBA course for critical thinking at Globis University, what are the three lessons I learned so far from our first session? So I'm Ellie. I'm a founder of a nonprofit design community. I'm also working full-time as a senior design manager for a consumer finance company. There are three things I learned so far from the first course. First is make sure to understand and find the issue. What is the issue? There are multiple case studies that we went through, and the first thing that we always try to find out is what is the issue. Try to find out. For instance, if you're making a recommendation for someone, why would you recommend this person? What are the key qualities of this person? So, what is the issue? What is asked by the position? Make sure to address those key attributes that are being looked for. For the other case study related to customer complaints, how do you address customer complaints? What's the key issue? So again, identify all those. Number one. So number two is be aware of your own biases. When I had answered the questions, I realized I just went straight to the answers and not really structuring logically, considering alternatives. Make sure to not just immediately answer the question or address the issue, also consider what are the alternatives. And then make sure if you are offering a statement or what are the supporting arguments, what support the data. So if you're recommending someone for a role or a position in a based on the one of the case studies, what's your supporting argument? Why is this person, this candidate, your friend, valid for taking up the role? Why are they valid candidates? And the third thing I learned so far is to properly verbalize and reflect on the lessons. That's why I'm recording this session. Um, it's important to be able to speak your mind based on what you've understood so far in the classes. And I think this is pretty unique in the case study method. I think Harvard does this. Globis does this, which I like very much. So there's a lot of emphasis on talking, group work with your teammates, with your classmates, and really understanding more, verbalizing more your mind, what's on your head, then getting feedback and getting multiple other perspectives from issues that you discuss or case studies you discuss. So far, the first class I've had for the pre-MBA is very interesting. I like it so far. Let's see what happens next.